If you are thinking of buying a sock printer in the near future, here is a detailed sock printer buying guide. The popular CO80-210 Pro model utilizes 4-roller rotary printing technology, achieving a print speed of 50 to 80 pairs per hour. Equipped with 2 Epson i1600 print heads, it supports 4-color and 8-color printing, producing exquisite and detailed patterns. Suitable for web widths of 60 cm to 70 cm, it fully covers all sock production needs. The CO60-100 Pro dual-station sock printer utilizes dual-roller alternating printing technology, occupies a compact footprint, and is ideal for small businesses. Equipped with 4 Epson i1600 printheads, it prints at speeds of 40 to 45 pairs per hour and supports both 4 and 8 color ink systems. Furthermore, the roll size can be customized to meet diverse production requirements. The CO80-500 Pro single-station sock printer is designed for businesses with limited budgets and offers excellent value for money. Equipped with 2 Epson i1600 print heads, it prints at speeds of 25 to 30 pairs per hour, ensuring basic printing accuracy while effectively controlling investment costs, making it particularly suitable for startups. The above models can be equipped with a visual positioning system. Purchase recommendations. That's all for this issue. I hope this guide to buying a sock printer can help you when choosing one. Follow me for more information about sock printers.